class of 2020. This is most definitely not the year that you planned, not the year that you could have expected, and certainly not the year that you could have imagined. We hope that you will be as proud to be a graduate of the Cobb County School District as we are proud to call you a graduate of the Cobb County School District. So from everyone on our one team, we hope that you have accomplished everything that you have set out to accomplish during your high school career. And we also know that we have prepared you for success for that next step. So we wish you the best of luck and the best of success in whatever your next step has in store for you.
What's up, South Cobb Eagles? It's your proud principal, Mr. Perry, and I just want to say the last few months do not define your entire school career. For all my seniors, your years of learning, friendships, and all the experiences that you had, those things have prepared you for a definite success. Cobb Schools, we have been thrilled to be a part of this journey, and you are what makes Cobb County School District and South Cobb High School very, very proud. You should be proud of everything that you have accomplished and achieved. So now it's the time to be ready for that next step in your journey, and we know that you're going to succeed because of what you've already accomplished, because you are the best, the one, the only, the South Cobb High School. Soar with pride.
Man, what's going on, class of 2020? I'm so proud of y'all for making it through this tough time, this COVID-19 pandemic. But hey, we made it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm very proud of y'all. Let's keep it up, man. Go Eagles.
Hey, class of 2020, I know it's a rough and awkward time, but I'm pretty sure everybody's just sticking in there until the finish. Class of 2020, woo!
What is up, class of 2020? It's Matthew Long from South Cobb High School, and I'm here to say to all my 2020 graduates, congratulations, keep your heads up high, and we'll make it through together.